the culture of our community, Unit 5 test. Fill in each blank with the letter of the correct word from the box. Each word will be used only one time. A. Ancestor. B. Culture. C. Immigrant. D. Region. E. Tradition. Number 1. An area that has some shared natural or human feature is A. Ancestor, culture, immigrant, region, tradition. Number 2. The way of life of a group of people is called blank. Ancestor, culture, immigrant, region, tradition. Number 3. Someone in your family who lived before you were born is an blank. Ancestor, culture, immigrant, region, tradition. Number 4. A person who moves from one country to another is an blank. Ancestor, culture, immigrant, region, tradition. Number 5. Something that people do the same way year after year is called a blank. Ancestor, culture, immigrant, region, tradition. Multiple choice questions. Select the best answer choice for each question. Number 6. What are customs? A. Someone in your family who lived before you were born. B. Something that people usually do at a certain time. C. People who move from one country to another. What are customs? Number 7. What is folklore? A. Facts that teach us about regions and people. B. Songs and stories about a certain place or people. C. Maps that show natural resources of a region such as rivers. What is folklore? Number 8. In the past, how were folk tales passed down across generations? A. They were written down in history books. B. They were downloaded online. C. They were told out loud. How were folk tales passed down in the past? Number 9. Which is an important cultural contribution that the African Americans made to our country? A. They helped with the completion of the Transcontinental Railway and mining gold during the gold rush. B. They gave us games such as canoeing, snowshoeing, tobogganing, lacrosse, relay races, tug-of-wars, and ball games. C. They invented things that we use every day like peanut butter, potato chips, the gas mask, protective mailboxes, the telegraph, and many more. What did African Americans contribute to our country? Number 10. Which is an important cultural contribution that the Native Americans made to our country? A. A system of hand signals that was developed to facilitate trade and communicate between different tribal groups. The same idea is used today for communicating with those who are deaf and unable to speak. The signs are different, but the idea is the same. B. Native Americans helped with the completion of the Transcontinental Railway and mining gold during the gold rush. Or C. Native Americans invented things that we use every day like peanut butter, potato chips, the gas mask, protective mailboxes, the telegraph, and many more. What did Native Americans contribute? Number 11. Which is an important cultural contribution that the Chinese have made to our country? A. They were one of the first groups that fought for equal rights in America. B. The idea for the U.S. government. C. The Chinese helped with the completion of the Transcontinental Railway and mining gold during the gold rush. Number 12. Which of the following is a characteristic of the southern region of the United States? A. The winters are very snowy and cold. B. Yellowstone National Park is located here. Or C. The winters are mild, it rains in winter, and there is little snow. Number 13. Which of the following is a characteristic of the western region of the United States? A. Lots of crops, fruits and vegetables that we eat are grown there. B. There are a lot of hurricanes. C. Some of the states in this region are referred to as prairie states because they are flat, grassy, and have few trees. Number 14. Which of the following is a characteristic of the Midwestern region of the United States? A. The United States capital, Washington, D.C., is located here. B. Some of the states in this region are referred to as prairie states because they are flat, grassy, and have few trees. Or C. The state of California is located in this region of the United States, which is a characteristic of the Midwestern region. Number 15. Which of the following is a characteristic of the Northeast region of the United States? There are many deserts in this region. Mount Rushmore is located here. Winters in here are very cold and snowy, which is characteristic of the Northeast region. Bonus, up to 5 points. Think about your life and your family history. Write incomplete sentences to events from your personal/family history.